These are really fun. I'm loving that people are sending me their courses to try. I'm just shit at playing them, unfortunately. Please, you don't have a Wii, man. Yeah, your one's next, Naga. All right, Sean once again. Sean May. Who's this? The skull was called. Oh dear gosh. What does one do? Rip. The clouds were cool, Glerock. I liked them. Now! Basically. Holy shit! I suddenly have it. Holy shit! Check out that. Oh wait. Wait, we got this. You're right, Naga, so good block to jump on. Missed the axe! No! Alright, thanks, Bill. Let me just add it to the list quickly. Alright, thanks, Clear. I want to do this one, actually. This is at the start. I was like, how the hell are you meant to do this? It just suddenly hammers. As Jesse said. Ice blocks, please. Oh no! I gotta like jump down, dude. I faked it myself for this one. Axe, please! Oh my gosh! Guys, we were so close. Oh, Glerock. Glerock, this is the one that I typed in. I'm just gonna write hammer time Kappa. I know, the music is so perfect, Jesse. Oh, fuck. I swear I gotta like drop down as fast as I can. Oh my goodness. This is sick. No worries, clear on. Who Sean May was that? I got this! We did it, boys! That was so good! I loved it! Yes! The music was so perfect! Oh my goodness. That deserves a star.